Yeah. Okay, and just trying to capture the pose roughly. And now that I've set everything down, I know exactly where the feet ends. I can put in the shoulder real quick, swing the hand out, and these are all just roughly, rough estimating it right now at this point. If I'm very sure, I'm going to quickly mark down the shapes, okay, and also at the same time do the egg thing so that you guys can see where the egg sits. Yeah, I think it sits right there. It looks like it. Okay, so I'm not going to spend too much time on the egg. The neck comes out here, head kind of looks over there. And I think I can start working on the shapes now, the same thing. Gesture, shapes, and then followed by articulation, okay? So right now, eyes, hair, mouth, fingernails, etc. not important, okay? This one is kind of like behind the body, so it comes out here. And then the hand, a square. Hand, another square, but just to check the arc. And then negative space, check. I'm like, okay, I'm pretty much ready to do the, and then I'm gonna switch over to the tripod pose right now for the deltoid, the biceps, okay. The wingspan comes from here, and because of that, the box, this is what I'm doing. And then you're like, this is what happens when you have the box in place. Forearm, and then little thing that is not important to focus on at this point. So I'll just move on. The trapezius from the back. There's the clavicle there. Linear elbow or the sternum. The tie, it looks like a tie. I'm going to do a quick marking for the pecs. Yeah. And that, just real quick. The deltoids, biceps, elbow, forearm. Okay, I'm paying attention to I'm doing shapes, sharpening the shapes, but I'm also, when I can, focus on the details, the articulation. Okay. I'm not forgetting the side plane. There's the front plane and the side plane, which means now I have to shift the linear elbow or the middle line to this part. We did this in figure in our outdoor drawing. Okay. And I feel that, okay, now this I can push it up a bit, and it helps because I'm keeping it very light, that I can change the drawing and not go, oh, I've spent like 5 minutes on this, so I'm not going to change. So keep it very loose, very light at this point. Okay. There's that nice curve over there by the calf muscle from the back. And can you tell me where's the weight of the model right now?
Left. Our left. Our left.
Model's left or right?
Our model's right.
There's a no bulge because of the sartorius. And again, the linear elbow, or this imaginary line that tells you where the belly button is at this point. And basically, I'm there already. I just need to spend time working on this. So it can take, I was telling the other class, it can take like up to like an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours to really work on this character. When I was doing fine arts, we spent like 1 week on a character. Yeah. This is the back of the calf muscle. So it's really just understanding where everything goes.
5 seconds.
Okay. And this is a huge figure, right? Yeah. The neck.
5 minutes.
5 seconds?
I don't know. 10.
Okay. So you wanna